Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's create custom stickers in Canva, a designing platform where you can put pictures of cartoon characters and then you can put outlines outside of the images so that it's printed out, and then you can cut the outer part of the outlines for the stickers. To do this, well, click on custom size, and then afterwards you head over to worksheet, click on it, and then you simply look for images of cartoon characters. For example, go to elements, afterwards you type cartoon, and then head over to graphics. Let's say if you want to have this as your sticker, click on the image and then it will appear on the canvas. And then let's say if you want to put this, ooh, cute, and then you want to put, for example, this maybe, ooh, fancy. Let's reduce the size. So it will be printed out using an A4 paper. So we are going to make the images of these cartoon characters smaller. There are some pictures which are free to use, and there are also some pictures which are limited to Canva Pro users. So keep picking. Let's say if you want 5 cartoon images to be printed out, and then afterwards color the background, click on the canvas, and then click on background color. Let's say if you want to color it gray, just like this, and then click on the character and then click on edit, and then click on shadows, click on outline, and then change the color into white. Make it thicker by increasing the size, just like this. Fancy, isn't it? One sticker has an outline already, so do this for the remaining images, and then color the outline white. Make sure that the intensity is set to 100 so that the outline color is thoroughly white. 2 more to go. Be patient. Increase the size, change the color into white, and then for this, click on outline, change the color into white, and then increase the size of the outlines. Alright, it's really easy to do now. So and then all you have to do is to click on share and then click on download, and then change the file type into PNG or maybe PDF so that you can open it in any document editing program, and then you can print it all out. That's how you can create custom stickers in Canva. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!